Let's go, free roller coaster day! Let's go, let's on, fish on! What a great day of fishing. Ills, what's up with y'all? Ernie the hog snatcher is here. Y'all thought he wasn't gonna get out this thing, but whatever. If a dig hop on that line, he going for a ride. I don't care what. Oh no, I got snagged. A nice one. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's get it. Come on up there. Come on in. Ah. Come on, look. If you doing all that flexing, you better be nice. You better be nice when you get on surface. Uh-oh, he fighting back. Look at the rod. Look at the rod, he fighting back. Oh, we get on 1D with it. Look, I ain't seen nobody do this one yet. Oh, my light about to die. That's petty. My light about to die. We got us a nice fish, though. Yes, sir, another bigums. Another bigums. Another bigums, guys. Let's go. No, he probably about 20. Let me get a weight on him real quick. On this rookie scale I got. 21 point something. He's 21 pounds, guys. 21.8. That is great. Look, another fish, another fish. We got another fish on. All right, let's get this 21 pounder back in the water. Wow, bro. I think it's a fish on there. I think it's a fish on the other rod. I'm sorry I'm blocking it. I think it's a fish on the other rod. Give me 1 second. All right, so 7 fish on the bank. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a fish on there. Oh my God. Yo, I'm about to lose the rod. Oh my God. Oh, we got us a nice one, guys. Yo, we got us a nice fish. Oh my God, he's taking drag and all that. Oh, whoa! Whoa! I told y'all we was gonna get us a big boy tonight. I told y'all we was gonna get us a big boy tonight. I told y'all all catfish lives matter. Oh my God. He probably third. Nice one. It's a nice one, guys. That's a nice fish. Nice fish. Hog snatcher is what they call me. They don't. Y'all think I just made that name up? Just saying it? No, that's what they call me. All right, let's get a weight on him. Let's get a weight on this young man and get him back in the water. Oh man, 8 fish on the bank. Oh. 33, about 33 pounds. 33 pounder. I'll take it, man. I'll take him up. I'll take him. I'll take this on a nice snow day. It's nice. 33 pounder. 33 pounder right there. I can't even. Let me talk with him. Hold on. Let's let the chat see you. Let's go. Let's go. 32 pounder. All right, let's get him back in the water. Let's get him back. Let's get him back in the water. He came back. He came back. You over here. Yeah, we got it. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Show y'all to him at least. There you go. Look at him. Another nice hole. Another nice hole. Boom, 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 boom. Another nice hole. And I lost lighting, guys. All I got is my screen light. All I got is my oh, bro, he just slapped me. Did y'all just see that fish slap me upside my head? Oh, I got slapped on the side of my head, bro. Bro, these fish gotta stop doing me like that. All right. Woo, there we go. I don't think I should get a weight on him. He probably about 15 pounds. Went to catfish right here. Went to catfish right here. Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Fish slap. I got slapped by 2 fish tonight. I got slapped by his nephew, and then his father came up here and slapped me. Said, you big dummy, get me back in the water. It's cold out here. That's what he told me. Oh, man, thank you. His mouth, though. He got a big old mouth. He got a big old mouth. Look at that. A big old mouth. Look at that. Big old mouth. Let's get him back in the water. Let's get him back in the water. God, I don't know. I might just fish with one rod, man. Like, because I'm getting a lot of action out here. A lot of action.